go and go lock her up. Long as me get my job, me good.
My $10,000. My $10,000. My $10,000.
Panty Drama, back at you again. See, episode 2. Before we move on to the business how we're going to promote now, I want to tell you something. See, suppose me telling you, say, Panty Drama, based off our true story what me I hear. Check it out, but the business are first. Online. Alright, so online service of my people. You want to renew your business registration or you want to do it for the first time. At them that, see, then can do that. You want to do your fitness for your vehicle or your registration for your vehicle. At them that. As I say, police record, at them that. See, if you have a traffic ticket where you want to pay online, at them that. If your traffic ticket rub out and you can't see nothing funny, link them up. Pretty much, then do most things online. Skip the line, man. Call online service hub. Remember me telling you, and me, Maggy, telling you. If I nothing, whole Maggy accountable. See? And you want to renew your passport or you want to do it for the first time, link them up. Online service hub. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Wheel up! Yeah. I want little draws cause all of this. Lord, hear me now. Ram pa pam 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 tam. Tonta 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 ponta. Yeah. Give me body draws, make me carry it gone. Before the whole place know what I want on. Me nah beg your money, me nah beg your gold. That one little secret we stay untold. Give me body draws, now keep me pampas. Me there sweat from me head to me toes. One little garment mash up me plans. Now me there plead with folded hands. Me pull up easy, knock pon the gate. She open door, say you come kinda late. Me say me just need one favor today. She laugh and say you have to find next way. She hold it up high like trophy for sure. The heart just drop straight down on the floor. Me say easy, no lower your voice, please. She say you shoulda think for your squeeze. Give me body draws, make me carry it gone. Before the whole place know what I want on. Me nah beg your money, me nah beg your gold. That one little secret we stay untold. Give me body draws, now keep me pampas. Me there sweat from me head to me toes. One little garment mash up me plans. Now me there plead with folded hands. Me search every chair, every bed, every shelf. Me can't even laugh, me vex with myself. Cheddar they a giggle and sip a party. Say if you earn back this one from me, me know if you wanna start talks from today. No sweet talking can clear this away. One little move turn whole heap of stress. Now the whole scheme know me nah mess. One wrong move whole town a chat. Everybody want know this and that. They learn for secrets no hide too long. Sooner or later them end up.
Yeah, she go there, go do.
Who brought that to do over?
Oh, Leah do that. She brought the money.
Over, man?
Yeah, she bring this something to me. No man me a stutter. Actually, son had no the money. The son had. Yeah.
Okay. So she brought a panty. Whose panty?
Oh, the girl panty.
Hold on, which girl? That?
She named Chubby.
Chubby?
Yeah. Her man named Ricky. Me I think I got know Ricky, but her man named Ricky.
I don't really know them still. I don't really know them. But anyway, I'm interested to know her still. I want to know her and
Yeah, me make you know her, man.
so what you could
You can't just give me money.
Like,
oh shit, the son, man, his son.
No, I'm gonna reach that money part. I'm gonna make her get some.
No man, I mistake that I son me a chat about.
I'm soon move from that. So what you say you could do? You could have talked to her and...
Yeah man, we can do that for you, man.
Alright, so my name is Peter. Right? And tell her I like her so much. I wouldn't mind you could have work it out that a sure shot that me get her. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so
you not put them up on it?
alright.
Put more up on it, man.
Sorry about it. You kinda crush it, but sorry.
Yeah, put more up on it, man.
For now, look, it's when me get her,
Yeah.
then you can get some more money, right? Yeah. So work on it for me. Alright, my number. Set my number now. Set my number. Boy, you know easy, you know, you just count it out, so. Alright. So set my number and when I line it up, then we can arrange some meeting up with me and her and so forth, right? And tell her that she don't have to worry about money.
My number.
I have it like that, yeah?
Oh, you can put in a number.
Yeah. 876 425 8874. Yeah,
Alright, you say your name, Peter.
yeah, Peter.
So me really can come for more money.
Yeah, man. Once me get her.
You go get her,
Get
so
her.
me I get the money.
Yeah, man. No problem, right?
Alright.
Alright, so.
Later, so you can let have two more, cause she plays Saturday have me out and son, so you can let have two more money.
Alright, boy, not easy, you know. Alright, so
Alright.
later, yeah?
Yeah. Tall is a girl, yeah. Hey, hello.
Hey, what?
Girl, I didn't even know what just happened a while ago. You said me meet one rich man.
Eh,
Yeah, and he's saying like you. So girl, I need to come up here right now, drop anything you do. Here, anything where you do your job.
like me.
Yeah, girl, just hurry up and come now, girl. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Okay?
Me a come.
Aye.
Maurice, no. Yes, I know.
Girl, how much money man give me? Girl, you need to job dirty Ricky, okay? It's a man a better. And you have money and you can spend pints. You need to job Ricky, okay?
So you say cousin.
Girl, no me mean girl. I still my cousin a rich man, you know. You know second things. How are you? Me a good friend, you know?
Me a good friend. I know you for a long time. I know when you tell lie.
Girl, you don't know me I tell like I'm serious.
I know when you tell lie.
Just say just say you want.
See you look alright.
Hold on now. Just say you want to be an idiot for Ricky. Not because you do that. So first of all, and me jump say me go do that, you know. And you say you get you all of stress and me give you the easy option so you can do that. You could have said no, you know, say you want to continue to get bun. Cause you come like a hit you like getting bun. You come like it's sweet you. You want brought done every night, is that right? Alright. Since you not believe me, let me call the man. Cause me not have time for waste. Hello?
Hello?
Cuz.
Hello, who's this?
Cuz.
Hello?
You're not hearing me?
Yeah, who's this?
It's your cousin, the Browning. I'm here with my friend and she not believe no me I tell her so me know you and me are far family.
Okay. What's up, cuz? Sorry about that. Never recognize the voice, cuz.
I'm here. I'm telling her that me and you are real family and are from far and she no want believe. So I want you to
Yeah.
talk to her.
From a long time, I have family, man. Oh, God.
She, I don't know what do her. Talk to her.
Yeah, I'm talk to her.
Hello?
Hello, nice lady.
Yeah, hello.
Alright, so first and foremost, I want to apologize. Um, we are getting to know each other now. It should have been the other way around. It shouldn't even be through my cousin. I should be bold enough to come to you and introduce myself and we get to know each other and started courting and dating. And, you know what I mean? So I really want to apologize, to get to you through this medium. But I was saying I really want to get to you by any means necessary because I can't get a hold of you. I try to walk around, drive around, I can't see you. So my cousin, I know say you're affiliated with my cousin, so it's alright. Yeah, go see what I can do with my cousin and talk to my cousin, you know? You know them things that them way there?
Yeah.
So, but long and short I situation, I like you.
Okay.
I would like to get to know you someone.
Sure.
You're not to worry about nothing. Alright, before you say anything, can we just meet up one of these days and talk?
Sure, yeah.
Alright, you don't have to worry about nothing. We can, go somewhere nice and have a drink and reason and talk. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, but I have a car, but it's in the garage right now, so I'll just, we can just take a walk. You know what I mean? And we have a taxi normally take me to and from where I'm going, so we could do that.
Yeah, that's fine. No problem.
Alright. Let me talk back to my cousin, please.
Cuz boy,
Hey, my cousin, what's up?
me there.
Alright, so we talked to her and she sounded, oh my God, right now, I chim be there, I chim. God know, yeah.
A good girl,
Cause,
man.
yeah, man, thank you very much, yeah, cause, so,
Just remember the
so we
money.
can meet up.
The money.
The what?
Remember the money.
Cause, come on, you know we have that luck. So, we can meet up like, in the evening,
Yeah.
meet you up now.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just go up the road and start out some stuff. And come back down and meet up with her, alright?
Alright.
Yeah, soon call her back. Yeah, cuz?
Okay.
Yes, cuz.
See, girl, you see? You see? I tell her, say, girl, you're gonna look proper. So, this man, you're gonna look different. You're gonna have a be expensive thing, and Richie gonna bex. Say him do you that. You hear? This a man I best. You understand? See all vehicle you have. Not even know say my cousin get vehicle. You get rich and rich. So girl, just do it right. Me go there here with you. So I like me go make you go with him by yourself. Me go always do there.
You not tell him nothing else.
Me not tell no else, girl.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
You see how you gonna like it?
No, the place hard, but just do it right. Just do it right. You go. This man I go spoil you. And we gonna meet him, but me gonna move and make you there and me talk to him. Here. I'm money me with pan income. I mean, this one happy.
See, and that will you.
I will call me. Yo, Peter. Where are you with bad, bro?
You know what I'm saying? Brother, I have something to tell you, bro. Very important, brother. You don't know what I'm going.
Wagwan.
Alright, so good and bad news, me I feel. See?
Yeah, bro.
Which one about it?
Yo, I want a good one first, bro, because we are left it bad for last.
Are we in now? I'm still up here.
No, bro, I'm not there up on my yard.
Are we in?
I'm there up a fire ass up on the front page.
Alright. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking.
Alright, bro, do that fast. Yeah.
Yo, brother, what you do, sir, brother?
Yo, you know, sir, woman give me some problem, bro. I say me a walk your house, bro.
What kind of problem if you have, brother? And I'm married, they say you're going to get married, brother.
Bro, found you be a cussing woman depend with me, bro. I don't know what go on in my life. Everything woman make bad him since lately, bro. So me just say me a walk your house, bro. I'm tired of cussing them.
Yo, you're serious? You're serious, Ricky?
Bro, serious like a judge, bro.
So them think that is real?
What that?
No. Listen to me and say, alright, so you want to know, back to what we are dealing, the business.
Yeah, business.
Alright, so the girl, I'm going to meet up with her shortly. See? So I can take a picture with her and make you get it and you can use that blackmail her to leave her. You understand?
Bro.
One of the man we talk to her friend. See? You know the brown friend was she have.
That's how again.
The brown friend, she have an browning friend, man, yeah.
Yeah, man, remember.
So, I love money. Brother, I say without that talk to her, the girl that will look for me. I just, if I move the money go so the girl, see the girl there, just look for the money so I focus on
If she looks so, she no must love money.
Brother, this is what I say now. So, she sort out things. What me I got to know is just meet up with her take a picture so you can blackmail her the right way, right?
You're sure, bro?
Yeah, bro. So listen up. Now you gotta get her out of your life permanently. So you can marry to your lady and live a happy.
Bro.
Well, let me just tell you what's going on, brother.
Bro.
Something going on in your life, brother. Yo, listen to me, brother. You want to tell you that? You believe in us, them superstitions, bro?
Believe in our bro. A father God me believe in a Peter.
Alright, you hear me, sir? So, what me tell you, sir? The brown girl tell me, say, bro, yo, what I'm trying to tell you, yo, big man, brother. Alright, yo,
Go on.
brother, brown girl, I tell me, say, like, don't say me saying, brother. Don't make no trouble out of this, you know. Brown girl, say, your side girl stole your lady where you live with, Panty. And can't go over a man, brother.
How lie I tell Peter? How?
Brother, you need to do. You need to go report it on a station, brother. That you need to do, brother. And get back the Panty girl lady, bro. As you see, remember me tell you, them over in something there, and a good something, bro. Take my foolish advice, brother. Report it, brother.
No, it's a real talk, yeah, make Peter.
Yo, the girl tell me, the girl talk out everything, she not worry about Ricky. When she see the money, bro, she does a chat, brother.
And you believe that, bro?
Yeah. Yo, listen to me, man. You need to. Me I go find out from her what color panty and tell her. So you just go report that to the police and the right station. Yeah.
Alright,
Brother, listen to me and say to you. Stop stress out yourself, my youth.
brother, me I wonder.
Look here, man. Do what me I say. You go help you, my youth. Solve this, bro. So go get rid of the side lady and you go to the station and make sure you report, say. Stole your lady panty so she can carry back and give brother. Or she get locked up.
So when me go to station?
Allow me to call back the girl first and find out what color. Oh, I'm telling Ricky what?
Bro, I can't even know, you know, bro.
Ricky, just stop. I know what go on, bro. I know something go on, bro. I really, brother, I'm not tell you the truth, bro. I really want to think too hard, but something is something, brother. You understand? Yo, them thing that can be, brother, them thing that really, bro. Remember saying that, remember back from Bible days, when one man threw down piece of ticker down the rod. The devil man them, bro, threw down for them rod ground. And he turned in a snake.
Yeah, bro.
Remember say when the God man them threw down for them too, he turned in a snake too. Only thing say, the God man them snake and eat up. The next snake, bro. You have to read the Bible. Yo, you gotta read the Bible, yo. So yo, this is what I say. You find out the color. Me help you, bro. Like, seriously, I'm ready. Me no want nothing to do, yo. I'm going to be your best man, man. You see?
Yeah, bro.
Stop stress out yourself. Get up on yourself. Drink some water. Wash your face. Yo. Come in.
Come in, bro.
Hey Jess, how you doing? Tell me something. I have some more cash for you, you know. Alright. I come down here now. Come meet up with the princess, right? Alright, and I have some more cash for you. But tell me something. What color panty it was? Same panty you tell me say your friend took away from Ricky's girlfriend. No, nothing. I just ask, because I say, you know, I just curious to know what color, you know? Yellow? I have some cash here, man. I soon come here. Big up yourself. Yeah, cuz. Alright, cuz. They are far there? Yeah. Alright, bro. Ricky, you hear me? Yeah, one yellow panty, brother. Yeah, one yellow one. So, I'm gonna go down there now. Just give me a sender, bro. I'm gonna raise with the girl now. Take a picture with her so you can blackmail her. If you can get no more information from our friend, you don't know. You see it? Alright, brother. Yeah, crown a work one, bro. Don't worry about that. Alright. Don't deal with the matter now. You know what, me nothing else, brother. What? Yo, relax the man and stop stress out yourself, man. Me tell you to go wash your face, drink some water, hurry up yourself, brother. What do you? And me, I be the best man for the thing, for the wedding, bro. Aren't you? Alright. Yeah. Hello. How you doing? What you going, cuz? Big up yourself. Hi.
Hi.
What happened, cuz?
I'm there here. You know, so I'm gonna leave it to another talk. Yeah, anyway, my money. I want something to drink, man.
Want something to drink?
Yeah. So your friends are like, give me money for Ray and pay.
Easy, you know, cuz.
So something more funny, man. More funny, man. Must say I promise me money.
Cuz.
Come knock on
boy,
the ask me next one of mine.
Alright. Buy a drink.
See, girl, because I'm rich. I'm going over there so I talk, man. I'm not going back.
Alright, later, eh?
Later.
Alright.
Yeah. Have a seat now. Yeah. Why be schooling?
Breeze cooler, sun hot, anyways.
So tell me something. What you like about me?
You're,
Being that I first asked me.
you're a really handsome guy,
Thank you very much.
and when I really like to get you more, get to know you more stills, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That I go happen, man. Alright, so I think you're a very beautiful lady as well.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm not saying I rush things, but I can take a picture with them.
I'm sure just once in a they all over immediately these things.
Yeah. No, man. Why would I do that?
Cause some man tan so.
No, sir. Not like that, man. So you're willing to, I say you're willing to date me and thing, and
Yeah, cause you're nice.
to take a picture now. Alright. So, alright, you what? I'm kinda sweaty and everything, you know, cause I walk up and down in the sun, and this is not really the official meetup, you understand? So we are go somewhere very nice, you know, have some blended fruit punch and Yo, Ricky! I did it. I can't tell you what I go on.
How do you, bro?
Come in.
So I go on now, bro.
The lady in there.
She asleep.
Oh. Alright, you know, say, the female, bro. The side woman, you know, say she not real to you, brother.
God know.
Right away, bro. She ready to go up and date, all these things, brother.
You know, say that's why my spirit never take that girl in.
I tell her, bro, look here. I'll see picture here, so you can use the picture here now.
Bro, so easy.
Yeah, man.
Like I'll just take it to, you know.
Brother, them not tell us how me did a while ago, bro.
Yo, me have to rate you, bro. You're tough, you know.
Like
Yo,
y'all tough way. Y'all always reason, bro. What mean say me I'll just take it? Me not tell you say me how deal it, brother. Me not just call up on the phone.
yo, send me a picture.
Me send it right here.
You have to use that and blackmail her.
Alright, so me send it to your WhatsApp there. Brother, listen to me I say.
Alright, you come through.
And here what I go on. You see panty, what she take, the girl I say I want a yellow panty, brother. So I ask the lady if she miss a yellow panty and make a report on the station, brother. Go pan, you see it?
You know
I
what
tell her.
say? She miss it. For real. One
She
yellow
has-
jazz, bro.
She has said, then I saw me I tell her, remember our brown friend tell me about you, what I don't know, bro. I don't want to tell her still, brother, but
Bro,
sort out a thing, brother.
no woman a cuss me say me take away her jazz. Go give me girl them, bro. Man, I laugh.
Sorry for laugh, brother. But why should I really think that, bro? Like that. Anyway, do what myself do still. I'm not going to really tire you, brother. Do what myself do. So when I make a report, you can call them in my youth.
I want to go out there myself, bro.
Yo man, call down the bro. Call down the my youth. The number online. Just call down on the bill station, brother. Yo, anyway. Do that and make me know what I go on. Yeah.
No first yeah, bro.
Everything good, man. See?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, brother. Yeah.
Yeah, hello? Is this the Nigger police station? Oh, you know, say me a call about a break-in we go on by Midtown apartment. I would like to make a statement or lodge a report or something about it. Yeah, Midtown apartment. Alright, you know forward now? Alright, okay, no problem. I'm waiting. Babes. See, Ijaze, miss where did I cuss about, so me take it to give me girl them. Me get to find out how breaking at the house and thiefy.
What you mean? Me no, hold on, so down. What you mean you get to find out who break into the house and thief it? So hold on there. People have key for ya. Nobody can break in a ya. Anybody will have me jars. I must you bring them here. I must you introduce them to this house here. But then can come and come take me jars.
Be listen up, relax. Just calm, see. The person who come here, if you take the jars, come thief the jars.
I could have never liar. If I ever liar, Ricky, if I ever liar, me say, me are you done for this marriage I put off. If I ever liar, thief me drawers, me say, Ella pour that house with me are you in. Me I can go down Emmanuel Road.
But babes, you know tell me say you go forgive me.
Forgive you. If she thief me drawers, I must you bring her in if she have the chance to thief me drawers.
Why would
Nobody else not have no key for ears. So don't have no foolish, you know. So I bring girl in my house. I can never bring girl in the house. In the house where they promise me say, oh, anything is yours, it's mine now. I don't really bring girl in here. When I get time to bring girl in here, Ricky, when?
B, listen to me now. Look how long me stop deal with that the girl there.
So she get chance to take the drawers.
From me say she breaking at the house. No must pick
How
him.
she break into the house? Tell me how she break into the house. How she break into the house? Oh, so she.
B.
So Jesus.
B.
So you really make a girl come here come thief my jars?
B.
How many jars I go?
Yo, me go make her get it back.
How?
Me call
You
the
don't want no
police.
jars and no girl we are, you know?
Me call the police.
Ricky, you hear yourself?
Me call out a
Police
station.
my jars. People will laugh and follow my youth, you idiot.
You go know if you not get it back today, because police them soon
Me
come.
move move out to your side, you know. Come in want with dear things in here, you know.
So you know what get back your jaws, B?
Me no want the jaws there. You have to make a girl take with me jaws. I will tell
It
you.
can't fit her, that can't fit her.
So what she take jaws for then? What she gonna do with me jaws?
Me no know.
Me nah wear no, me nah put her no jaws and no girl. You see you? Me say, me tell you about man, you know. Man a wicked, you know.
But
Say me tell me to after me there so. I'm gonna wash for you, I'm gonna cook for you, I'm gonna clean for you, really bring girl everything for jaws.
Why would I?
No worry yourself. Don't let me know what to do.
Me where I go after we plan the wedding and everything you go.
Which wedding? Me tell us my jaws get missile. You tell me say your ex teeth me jaws. You tell me about wedding.
So we not better get married.
So why your ex had you in here for teeth me jaws, my youth?
She breaking at the house, B.
How she gonna break in here? What she do?
How me feel know?
How she want me to break it?
Me gonna make her get back your jaws so you can stop us. When the police ain't come, you gonna probably lock her up too.
So mother, hold on. How you know Sashi had the jaws? How you know?
B.
Yeah, the girl happy of
B.
communication.
Somebody tell me, somebody good source me here from B. That the somebody will tell me nah, tell me no lie.
Boy, you're the evil, you know. After me give you the first time, Ricky really bring back girl in up between me jaws.
Why would I be? Me wanna do that.
All me jaws go. All me jaws.
Me not tell her say the girl breaking at the house.
So okay, so she breaking the house with everything. I feel me jaws stick up. And me she want her you. Him? I feel your girl. What she want take up for your other pants? And me she want her you. Oh. Who they see put her?
You tell me say you forgive me for all of this. Look how long me stop chat to her.
You piss me off, you know, man. You piss me off. So after everything in here, so where my jaws she go? Why?
Me no know how me feel know that.
Not more than the girl like come in here. And I beard and I have no panties to put her because the jaws she wear come here dirty. And you tell the girl, say see jaws, the jaws and wear. See you boys are eat. Don't worry yourself here. What's me go do with your girl? What's me I feel house but you're happy left here. What's me on?
Why, Father God? Me always get blamed for the wrong set of things and me nah do no Father God and when me not know about you know. But soon as this a policeman a reach you know, me a making me a press charge for that girl if me woman jaws, you know. You wait till all that the policeman they come here.
Yeah, Midtown apartment this.
Yes, officer.
You sure?
Yes, officer.
What you doing on the road?
Me I play football, sir.
Alright, go on, be there. Hello?
Oh, what on there? Wait. And I'm gonna call her wait. Nobody not gonna look at laughing stock for me, you know. Ricky!
Yes, babes.
Come here. Somebody else said to you, and nobody not gonna laugh for me. When there? Come.
Officer this here.
Yeah, for the draws matter. Go on.
Come in, officer, you're welcome. I will run the place, you know, man. I want to run the town. Come in, officer, you're welcome. Can I have a seat over there?
I don't wish to sit, sir. What is the matter? Where is the broken in?
Boy, I so nice.
Well, officer, no we're not too break, you know. No window, no grill, no. So,
What is the report is all about?
Tell them I'm
What is the report is all about?
Don't we know?
well, one of my ex them, thief, me woman jaws, killer jaws and
How she thief? Tell the man how she thief the jaws. Tell the man how she thief the jaws now, sir.
she break in at the house and thief it, officer.
Yes.
How she break in? Where she break through? Where's the evidence that she break through?
Officer, to tell you the truth, me no really have no evidence because me no see no breaking window, the grill no cut, no but.
So how she come in here? That the man. How she reach in here? It eat the jar.
I'm listening.
Me no know. Me no know, officer.
Listen.
How you not know how she reach in here to take on me drawers? But you can't go at station now. Go tell this a man you say, in take me drawers. Tell me.
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth, young lady. I'm a police officer. Don't get too bright. And watch your mouth. Here. Listen to me, young man. If you don't see her taking up the panty, the underwear, the drawers, whatever you called it, we can't have a case.
Well, officer, me see her. Me see when she take up it.
How you so much for the jars? Oh, me say I knew it. Sorry, sir. Me know why you feel like more disrespect you. But me hurt. I'm your husband. Me say no, man, I'm supposed to get married to. I knew sir you bring a girl to my house. You know my house, Jesus. You really didn't bring a girl to my house.
Be top and nice.
Now what you say?
How we are going to
Now
be
we don't need no disrespect, right?
Listen,
but
listen.
I'm your husband. I know what to do there. I know what to do there.
So,
let me get on my job.
Listen.
No, sir, deal with your case. Let me get on my
Be
job.
honest.
You know what to do there. Let me get on my job. No worry yourself. And me say, watch me and you.
Listen. I never have a case like this before. So listen. You're going to come down to the station and make a report about what you see and what happened.
Yes, officer.
So I can take up this case in my hand because I never have a case like this before. I hope when I go to the judge, she don't take it as a joke. What you said happened? How many panty missing?
One, officer. She take one panty. One of my woman panty. My ex-girl, me see her, me two year them.
Oh, it's your ex.
Yeah, my ex.
So, tell me something. What's so special about that underwear?
Officer, it's a yellow one, officer.
So because it's yellow, make she take it away.
Me don't know if I she favorite color or why no. Why she choose that the one day no. But me don't know what to say, officer. But only thing me can say, me want press charge on her. Cause me see with me two eye when she thief me woman jaws. So me want press charge.
Well, all you have to do is come down to the station and make a report. Okay?
Alright, officer. Me a come down there look more. Soon as me get the time, me a come at station. Me a lock up my ex. She bright to come thief me woman jaws.
Alright, I'll take it further on from here. Make your way down to the station.
Alright, officer.
Officer Lum's here.
Alright, Lumsy. Big up yourself. Hey!
Hey, nobody come be me no. Nobody come be me. Me can't believe say I really bring a girl innocent to them take on my jars.
B, me not bring the girl come in there. If me not see how me go have a case.
You tell me stupidness. You tell me stupidness. So imagine say, I say we dey married and the girl come take on my jars. You tell me say.
B, relax, calm down.
Me and you and she would have to go down Emmanuel Road. Here, me think say if you put this wedding sum up on a bill. Cause me not understand how you make girl come in and say come take on my jars and they have the audacity. They tell the man say you see. How you see?
B,
Grill no break, door no break, none else in no gun than me yellow jars.
you come like you don't understand the law. If you don't see a person do something, you don't have a case.
Do not raise a voice after me because I don't maybe bring money enough to your underpants and you bring that enough to take me jars.
Me I go down at the station.
Me not go nowhere.
More evidence, more
What
proof.
evidence? Now you think somebody can laugh at me?
No one can go down there.
You idiot. Everybody down there go take you for one piece of paper where they report that let's Steve and a girl jars. How?
B, come here, go down at the station.
Why you? Yeah, alone go on, yeah, just Steve. Go on and she yard, go bring her down there.
Then go and prove at the station. Say
So,
you.
me approve.
Yeah,
Me
yeah.
never there. If I ever in here, me and you and she would have to have it out.
Say no, I'm lock up, you girl.
Go on, Go and go let her up. Long as me get my job, me good. I made a pan break. Say, me don't know if you want to pack up your things them and go and find someone at your house, but me don't tell you say. From the first day, tell me say make yourself feel like a home. Me nah left, you know. So if we feel left and you left find somewhere if you go and do a for your house, you're gonna find somewhere if you go. So I don't never want to pack up your things them and go to an Airbnb and tell me mind cool down, but me not left it. You said feel at home and I am at home and I gone away. So I would advise
you don't come with me at the station.
Who? If I'm like you, well, you're on your way going to the station.
But them go say if you bring it woman with a fear jazz.
Yeah, you know say that piss me off. Listen to me. If I'm like you, pack up my one little bag and go rent to an Airbnb. So after the station, you go to the Airbnb. Can me tell you say me not left to your house. You go left.
No.
Come me not go have it.
Now go to the station, I'm going to lodge a report.
What about the clothes them?
No, me close.
Me don't want you in here today. Me don't want you in here. Watch out.
Be
Nasty boy. For all long you know that dirty shop you ain't even beard. You're supposed to cheesy and green and mowgli.
But me, no, you stress me.
Who has stress you? And you have stress yourself. I'm gonna get my major.
No, right now, I'm going to press charge for that girl.
Because the blocks to go.
I'm going to press charge.
What am I press charge?
Done on the grill police station.
One. And can't take out the things out of your house.
Okay, look, sir. How are you?
What you don't do?
Girl, I'm here, so you get locked up. What are you? What going?
Why? I see if I really there's a get locked up in the
Girl, wait, hold on. How comes it because of me and you want to keep a man? Jess, no. Simple, the officer is no.
Girl, just admit it. Just admit it. And you make police smack me for the first time in my life.
Me? Then why you never say no?
Because you're my friend. I mean, my friends are going to listen to what your friends say.
No, I can't. Leah, I kept what you say. Because you didn't want the man, you didn't want the man stop your bun and have ICU. So you decide to say yes, Ray Auntie. So it can't really be my fault. And it can't be two our fault. It have to be your fault alone. Because I must say, me as a friend, I love the advice. So, and not me make you get locked up. You have to understand your friend, it's not me. When me hear say I get locked up and me I eat my food. Me all shocked. Come here and say, people are telling me say you get locked up because of jazz. So me don't mind me did that, me I said, don't know how she get locked up because of jazz.
But the matter of fact is, who knows say me?
I don't know, me I try to figure out.
No camera up there no? Or maybe you up there and they put in here, I don't know.
I don't know what to tell you, so just that it's fad with me here. Come here, eat. I couldn't even come here, so my friend I get locked up with jazz. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm frustrated. I'm
girl, you need to
confused.
cheer up. You're gonna be good. You need to cheer up.
Okay? I have court figure the 17.
Wow. All court you have? I'm serious. Wow. All court you have? I'm so serious.
Girl, come on. Remember say panty they charge me fine. And plus they even have the color of the panty where yellow, you know?
That's why this serious.
I wonder if I'm mad at my tell her.
Girl, don't do that.
Well,
what are you trying to say? That woman did not do them kind of things. You can't do them something there. No, don't do that. Jesus Christ, it's serious. So well on there. The police are not laughing.
Girl, boy, I don't know, so they laugh.
No, they're not laughing at you. So somebody get charged with
yeah, because I must say I force somebody hear that.
Me I laugh to kind of funny. Why am I not know how they know exact the color of the panty and everything, but it's fine though. But you're good. You need to cheer up, girl. That's so good.
So good, action.
That's so good, girl.
Yeah, so good, but like, why a solution?
Why you want my panty?
Yeah, me need to get it back because before the court date. So me can show the judge say me have to give her back. So then they lock me up. Again.
Girl, you mean got prison? I even bad things you laugh for, girl, but it's just funny how you get caught. Give it a bad thing. Oh, sorry, I stop laughing, I'm sorry. But, girl, I know the part I go fit get back that from Mama Jones, you know, because that woman is serious, man. If you do something and then get back, you can't turn back on you, you know. And if you know it type of something where you get yourself, you know. Must say she had to do the work and everything, you know. So if you feel collect by that Georgia from she, everything can turn on upon you, you know, you all can mad from it. Because I hear these do, you know. So, my advice, wait, anyways. How are you? How are you and Peter going?
Girl, from we meet up out there, yeah, get this up. I don't see him back. I don't hear about nothing back from him.
You're a joker. You need to get some money from Peter and buy a ticket.
Like,
You need to get some money from him. Serious, you need to be serious now because this is a serious thing. Cause me ever take my foot. Matter of fact, me not come with you when you go Mama Joe. Probably come with you, me not know. But you see how that woman that stay, you see once something is done, and you go collect her try and come out that, it will turn back around for you. You can't have. It all can cause death. You're not supposed to do that. So you need to find my Peter, get money, give Mama Joe, she reverse back everything she do.
Like
So the girl
this.
go come back in the picture, everything just go start back normal. You go out of the picture. You just go start back from fresh. So then go become back lovey-dovey and married and all them type of thing. But that's so you better you do that, then figure out prison. Right? So let's figure it about Ricky and find our next man. You understand?
But girl, stick up in. But it's say something to me down at the station, you know. Say about me carry a Obia man. How do you know that?
It's an older woman, so girl, I don't know.
But the point is how they know.
Brother, to be honest, it look like somebody there watch me. Cause nobody don't know them mess them the bigs. Nobody don't know them the secret. Them secret is between me and you and Mama Jones. And Mama Jones not that type of friend. She don't play. Understand? Me not understand how you get so much information.
Something not right. Something not add up to me.
You go have to just link Peter and get the money. You just have a reverse sorry, you just have to get heartbroken, but that's how you go. Better than go to prison. So make the girl take back her man, everything done. Blah 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 blah. You understand? Yeah, you have to just find Peter. Get money. So not only Mama Jones is gonna buy it, you're gonna buy it the judge. Judge love money. So you go free after the case. You understand? Yes. So that you go have to do. I don't know what else to do, yeah, friend. This mess up. This really mess up.
Mess up and confusing.
But you go good though, girl. As long as you have money. Money talk. So as soon as you have money, you'll be good. You don't have nothing to worry about. Just get money.
But anyways. Alright, I'm just gonna ask Mama Jones back feet panty. Wow.
I never know how a mad friend me have. Oh my God, the girl that try to sign one death wish. You know what? You're a problem. Me tell you to talk to you. You're stubborn and naive, and I can't bother with it. You hear what I just said a while ago? You want to go back to the Mama Jones and I tell you, say, don't play, and realize that the woman don't play. If you ask her back for the jazz.
Simple like that. Why am I gonna give me money then?
No, I'm leaving Leah. Because my sister here try to sign a death note, and if anything reach you, you can't say I'm my fault. So I hope she not kill you. You know what? I hope she not unalive you. You don't hear. I'm leaving. We can't matter. I must contact my kids on my phone. For sure, it's something really go wrong, you know. But I hear deeds. But I know how Mama Jones there. What's up with her, right?
Agwanya. Mama Jones! Mama Jones! Mama Jones! Mama Jones. So why does someone take by myself? Anyways, I come to ask her for a panty back.
My $10,000. My $10,000.
You will get it.
My $10,000. My $10,000. My $10,000. My $10,000. My $10,000.
Me tell you say you go get it.
My $10,000.
Miss, me tell you say you go get the $10,000. What do you?
My $10,000. My $10,000. My $10,000. $10,000. My $10,000.
Alma, do you trouble? Come in, Dan. Come. Come. Ready?
Where's the food ready?
Yeah, man. Food ready, man.
Hungry now, boy.
No, take long at all. Where bread?
Bread in our bag, man.
Couldn't buy a slice of bread, man.
This we can't afford.
Well, at least.
How are next part?
No juice.
Yeah, man. Cheers, no, man.
Just me and me donkey and my old time friend.
See, donkey cat, so. Done! How you name Dan?
Come up, man.
Come up.
Forward, man.
Listen me now. I now come no further, you know. The scent here smell like hog.
No.
How about that?
I know. Come up, man.
No, yeah, tell me, sir, I go there, eh? That big old white thing over there, so.
Hello, hold on. See that?
Yes, sorry.
Alright, where you going?
In the car.
That car right here.
Can put it in the trunk.
Wait, yo. Hey, donkey cat, man. Yo. How you doing, man?
Yeah,
Hey, no, babe, go easy. Yo, come on, man, I talk to him. Yo, wait a moment. Eh? Yo, yo. When you say that woman,
I'm so pleased to see it. I truly wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. My boyfriend is like that sometimes, you know. So what's your name again?
I didn't tell him my name. Should I tell him my name?
Yes, I'm trying to get to know you.
Just call me Dan.
Okay, I'm Shanice. No? Okay. So like I said, I just wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. We were just trying to help. After all, you're just such a gentleman.
Thank you.
Is it okay if we be friends? No?
Huh?
Is it okay if we be friends?
Oh boy. After what happened?
Yes. Is that such a bad thing?
We can be friends.
Okay. Can I have your number?
No?
Why not? Okay, if we cannot be friends, I see that you have stuff selling and stuff. You have grown provision, my mother like that. So we can support the business.
Sure,
Is that
you can
alright?
support the business, no problem.
Okay, so what's the number?
The number is right there on the card.
So you don't want to give it to you?
The number is there on the card. You can call us if you need one provision.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, brother,
Excuse me.
Timber, a business we are doing. Let's have the number.
Okay, so I'll definitely give you a call. Like I said, I'm really sorry about everything. So
Okay.
expect a call from me.
Alright, man.
Okay.
Brother, you should get going.
Dan,
Hmm?
you know, listen. You're a black and blue, you want the black and blue, you're here again.
Business we are doing.
Dan, whether business or not, I'd rather not take your money. Eh? You give her your number, you know what that all lead you to? Next thing she in your bed. Next thing up. But that's why I'm going to do so right
Brother,
now.
I don't want a girl in my bed, brother.
That's how we are saying no, that me know when they're interested in somebody. Eh? So, I might bread pocket.
Hold on, go on like son, you know, subscribe up. Oh, for when I'm telling you, say subscribe. It's a joking thing with that pan. My son. I train a age, but I'm not running down, you know.
Okay, boy.
Now worry yourself, man. So, now, yo, you. What time are you subscribe to Maggy Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
No, you say what? No, you say boy.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.